This is a do-it-yourself electronic flashlight. It cost around $2. Let's take a look at the pieces. We'll start with the board. It appears to be good quality and well labeled. It comes with these pieces, allowing you to connect it to a AAA battery, one on and off switch, 2 transistors, an 8050 and an 8550, a 102 ceramic capacitor, a small wire, 2 resistors, 1 single straw hat LED, a 330 microhenry inductor, and a plastic case for the project. I'll start with connecting the transistors, the 8550 in position Q1 and the 8050 in position Q2. Then the 102 capacitor, it goes right here. Then the resistors, the 20K here and the 510 ohm over here. Next, the inductor, it goes over here. The switch, there are only 3 holes available for the switch, so cut off half the pins. Then insert it so that the button is facing outwards. Next, the LED, the one that is longer is the positive terminal. Then solder the connectors for the AAA battery. They go on the back of the board. The one that pops out goes to the negative terminal, and the flat one goes to the positive terminal. All that's left to do is attach this piece to the button and place it in the case. Add a AAA battery, and the project is finished. Let's try it out. Now for some thoughts. Some of the positives: the board is high quality and well labeled. It has interesting pieces. The thing that impresses me the most, though, is that it comes with a case and the tools to connect the battery to it. For some negatives, I have no idea why this piece is included in the project. It would be useful to have a cone for the light to reflect off of so it can focus the beam. And the finished product is not very aesthetically pleasing. Overall, I would strongly recommend this product if you are trying to learn about electronics and how circuits work. And I would rate this project a 7 out of 10.